Hello everyone, welcome to Theorem Thrive. Today we're going to learn simplifying algebraic expressions. Suppose you have boxes of apples and oranges for which you do not know the exact quantities. How will you simply express the total number of fruits? Combining boxes with the same fruit is the same as combining like terms. Today, you'll learn about simplifying algebraic expressions with integer coefficients and simplifying algebraic expressions with rational coefficients. Simplifying expressions with integer coefficients. Simplify 5x plus 4y minus 2x. Step 1. Identify like terms. Step 2. Rearrange and group like terms. Here the like terms are 5x minus 2x. Keep them in a bracket. Third step, add or subtract the integer coefficients of like terms, then copy the variable, write the unlike term as it is. Let's move on. Simplifying expressions with rational coefficients. Simplify 0.5d plus 1.4e minus 1.2e plus 0.6d. Step 1. Identify like terms. It is same as which we did in the integers coefficients. Step 2. Rearrange and group like terms. Here the like terms are 0.5d plus 0.6d plus 1.4e minus 1.2e. The last step, add or subtract the integer coefficients of like terms, then copy the variable, write the unlike term as it is. Simplifying expressions with rational coefficients. How can you combine like terms with coefficients that have different denominators? Use the LCM of the denominators to write the rational coefficients as similar fractions. Then add or subtract. You can refer on the right side. Let's continue. What's the password? Simplify the algebraic expressions to enter the password. Put the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Take your time to solve the answer. You can also pause the video. Answer key. Let's check your knowledge about simplifying algebraic expressions by doing a recap. Can you answer these questions? Answer key. Here's a challenge for you. What is the simplified form of this algebraic expression below? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For reference, you can go to Mathspace 5.0 Algebraic Expressions or click on the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.